Hi, I'm Dan from Action Engineering, and I'll be teaching our upcoming MBD using Modern GD&T course. In this live virtual training, we'll be learning about the what, the why, and the how of model-based definition, with hands-on exercises and Q&A sessions. We'll also be discussing terms and definitions associated with MBD and MBE, learning about the standards in play when going model-based, and highlighting the benefits of MBD, beginning with CAD authoring and extending all the way through the supply chain. We will also be reciting our baseline understanding of functional feature-based tolerancing with the 2018 revision of the ASME Y14.5 standard to see how modern GD&T enhances our model-based definition. Using your own CAD system and with part files provided by Action Engineering, we will guide you through the process of applying MBD annotations to model geometry. Register today by using the link below and join us to learn how MBD can benefit your real-world applications.